Hi everybody, welcome back to English 101, the final module. And I'm going to do this screencast for the last two things because they won't take too long. But we're going to focus on the student conferences here and then your upload for the final draft of your reflection essay. So when you click on the link for student conferences, and you are welcome to do this at any time. You do not have to wait until closer to the 9th. If you know that you've got to work around a work schedule or something like that, or kids or whatever, please sign up for these conferences as soon as possible. But again, just as a reminder, this is the opportunity for the third type of feedback for your essay. The first feedback will come when I take a look at your introduction, thesis, outline, and sources. You'll get feedback from there. You're going to write a draft of your essay. You will get peer review feedback from there. When you meet with me with the student conferences, we will be going over your essay there. So I am going to click on here just so you can see it. Again, I've got the link to the essay. It's linked everywhere, so hopefully you know what it is by now. And just as a reminder that your conferences or the essay is due by Monday the 14th. So I am setting up these conferences for December 8th and December 9th. So that will be the day after the peer feedback is due. So you'll get the peer feedback and then you'll meet with me when you sign up for those conferences. And then that will give you about 5 days to create your final draft. So when you click on this, it's going to lead you to a document that looks like this or a calendar that looks like this. And what you will do is go to December 8th and December 9th. And as you can see, there's different times for conferences there. When you want to set up a conference, all you do is click on it, save it, and then an email will get sent to me. As soon as I see that email, then I will go in and I will create a conference link for you. I will try to do it in WebEx so I can record it and then give you the recording of what we talk about so that you can have that for your reference. So that's how to do that. So let me go ahead and get out of there and come back to here in the modules. So that will be the first or the third final piece of feedback that you'll be getting to help you with your final draft for your reflection essay. Your reflection essay is due on Monday the 14th of December at 11:59 p.m. Remember, we want it formatted in MLA style, 1,200 words minimum, works cited. That's not included in the word count. You can go and click on here for the assignment instructions. You can click here for the grading rubric. So what I will do when I finally get this assignment is I will download this, now of course I can't get to it, but I will download the PDF, let's see if it'll get me to it, of this rubric, and I will grade your essay and I will highlight the areas that you hit with this with the essay, because I've already given you enough feedback. So now we're going to talk about maybe you had a really engaging title, so I might give you full marks for that. Maybe you had an understanding of purpose and focus but not real clear, and so what I might do is highlight this area. Maybe your thesis statement was unclear, so I might highlight this area. And so once I highlight all of these areas, then I will come up with a score for that, somewhere probably between 14 and 20 if I'm highlighting in all of these areas. So that's how I will then score using the rubric. And then what I will do is upload this rubric for you in your grades so you can see how you did from draft to feedback to final draft. The more you draft, the better you're going to be. Always, always remember, if you have any questions, let me know. We've got this. Take care.